I love math, and I want to share the love. So let me show you one way that I love math. It'll require a little change of outfit here. I'm going to take a card out of this envelope. You notice there's nothing on it at this point. I'm going to write a number, a magical number on it. But you can't see what the number is, but I know it's a number you're going to choose, even though you don't know what it is. So let's fold it in half, so there will be no tampering with the evidence. Place it into the envelope, and seal the envelope, and I'll leave it where no one would argue that it has been tampered with, right in front of you. So here's what I'd like you to do. You may need a pencil and paper for this one, just to use your math skills. So let's start off by pick a number, any number between 5 and 10. Multiply it by 9. Okay, got that? Now you're going to have a 2-digit number. So take those 2 digits and add them together to get a 1-digit number. Now when you got that, take the square root of that number. And once you get the square root, take that number and add 2 to it. And then I'd like you to square that number, whatever it is, multiply it by itself. And when you get that number, add 3 to it. And then put a big circle around that number. And as you're circling it, look at it, and I'm going to see if I can pick up the vibrations coming through the internet. Oh, man, you wear your heart on your sleeve and you wear your numbers just like emblazoned on your forehead. Because I know what number you ended up with. The number you chose to write down there is none other than 28. And the reason 28 is the perfect number to pick is because it's a perfect number. See, mathematicians, they're fun-loving guys and gals. And they come up with all these little things to do. And one of the things that somebody invented a long time ago was the idea of a perfect number. A perfect number is a number that has a couple of properties. First of all, it has to have smaller numbers that you can multiply together to get it, or smaller numbers that can divide into it. For example, 6 can be divided by 1, and 2, and 3. Well, guess what 1 plus 2 plus 3 adds up to? 6. 6 is the first perfect number. Now you might think, is 7 a perfect number? No, because it's only 1. 8, 1, 2, no. So you have to go quite a bit into the big numbers until you finally get to a number whose numbers that you can divide into it evenly are 1, and 2, and 4, and 7, and 14. And you can guess what 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 4 is 7, plus 7 is 14, plus 14 is, yeah, baby, 28. 28 is the next perfect number. Now after that, you have to get up into 400 something before you get to the next perfect number. They get very rare, but 28 is not only a perfect number, but it figures a starring role in Math Magic Blocks. I'll leave that to you to figure out. So math is fun. It's beautiful. And I like having fun with math. I think that a lot of kids like having fun with math once they've learned how fun it is. I had a friend who gave a set to his kid, and the kid ended up at around Christmas time writing a Dear Santa letter. And the Dear Santa letter said, "Dear Santa, for Christmas I'd like a tablet and a set of Math Magic Blocks." Oh, how cute is that? I mean, if kids are looking at Math Magic Blocks as being their second choice present after a tablet, you know that kids can be turned on to math. And that's the whole point of Math Magic Blocks.